Welcome to the tutorial series for LocalSim. Before proceeding, make sure to view the previous parts of the series. This video will give instructions on importing guide maps and scaling the network. Before proceeding to this video, prepare an image of the road network map of your study area. Acceptable image files for the simulator are PNG and JPEG files. It is necessary that the map includes a scale bar to be used later in the software. To load the image to the simulator, first click the File button in the menu bar, then click the Import Guide button. When the prompt appears, click the file name of your image, then click Open. The image, which will be called as Map Guide from now on, should appear on the screen. The next step for setting up the road network is to scale the road network elements properly. To scale the canvas, click the Scale tool as shown here. Next, find the scale bar that is included in the uploaded map guide and click and drag along the scale bar. Release the left mouse button when done and a prompt should appear. Click on the white box, then type the length as prescribed in the scale rule. For this demo, that length is around 10 meters. After typing, click the Set Scale button. The road network should now scale properly. This ends the tutorial for importing guides and scaling.